Starting your cybersecurity journey.
Cybersecurity is a fast-growing field with high demand for skilled professionals. Whether you're switching careers or just starting out, this guide will show you the steps you'll need to take to build a strong foundation and land your first job in cybersecurity.
Understanding cybersecurity basics.
Begin by learning the fundamentals. Focus on core topics like network security, operating systems, and basic IT concepts. Free online resources, introductory courses, and tutorials are great places to start. Understanding how computers, networks, and the internet work is essential before moving on to more complex cybersecurity topics.
Building practical skills.
Hands-on experience is critical. Practice by setting up home labs, using tools like VirtualBox or Kali Linux, and exploring public capture the flag challenges. Participate in online platforms such as TryHackMe or Hack the Box to apply what you've learned and gain confidence with real-world scenarios.
Earning certifications.
Certifications can boost your credibility and job prospects. Start with entry-level options like CompTIA Security Plus, which covers essential security knowledge. As you progress, consider certifications like Certified Ethical Hacker or Cisco's CCNA Security, depending on your interests and career goals.
Finding community and resources.
Join online forums, cybersecurity groups, and social media communities to stay updated and connect with others. Websites like CyberSeek offer career pathways and job trends. Attending webinars, local meetups, or industry conferences helps you expand your professional network and learn from experienced professionals.
Landing your first cybersecurity job.
Create a strong resume highlighting your skills, labs, and certifications. Look for entry-level roles like security analyst, IT support, or junior penetration tester. Tailor your applications to demonstrate your enthusiasm and knowledge. With persistence, continuous learning, and a proactive approach, you'll be ready to start your cybersecurity career.